Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Larry. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Today's video is not about this look. I have a separate video for this look. Yes, I decided to film this video for you guys because I know a lot of you love my home remedy videos, but it kind of puts me in a very tight situation. Some people think otherwise about me, but now for instance I care less. I know the reason why I'm filming those videos. I'm not filming this video for a bad reason, let me put it that way. And if you have not subscribed, can subscribe down below. Today's video is about how to use Negro pepper or the power of Negro pepper. So without wasting much of your time, let's get the video rolling.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Yes guys, as I mentioned earlier on, we are going to learn how to use Negro pepper or the power of Negro pepper. First, if you don't know Negro pepper, I will show you how it looks. I have a video on Negro, how to use Negro pepper to flatten your stomach after childbirth. If you have not seen that video, I'll leave a card in between this video. Click on any of the card and it will lead you to any of my home remedy, which are all not bad. I mean, they are doing well, so well. So without wasting much of your time, I will show you how the Negro pepper looks. Don't mind me, I'm trying to get it for you. This is how the Negro pepper looks like. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, I have one stick here. This is exactly how the Negro pepper looks like. First of all, you can use a Negro pepper to induce your period. And please again, if you know you are pregnant, please don't try this. If you know you are pregnant, don't try this. The way how to use Negro pepper to induce your period, you can have like a little bit of a Negro pepper, just boil it and take it on an empty stomach in the morning and late at night. The last thing at night before sleep for some days, and your period will be induced. Yes, if you maybe for instance if you want to have your period on the 30th and you want your period to come before 30th, you can start taking the Negro pepper maybe on the 15th or 18th, and your period will come before 30th. Yes, that's how it works. And you can actually pound the Negro pepper into powder and add it in your food, which is not all that easy to take. You can also, another way to use the Negro pepper is to chew it like a hand, like the one I showed you guys. You can chew it on an empty stomach in the morning. And with this, if you have a very soft stomach, you kind of have a running stomach for a while, but not persistent. For a while, then it will kind of stop. But like early, when you take it early in the morning, you have to go visit the loo you have to visit the loo at that moment, and that's it. So you take it for like 5 days, 6 days, it depends on how your system works. Yes, so the another way you can take it is to boil it for like 20 minutes. After that, you store it in a bottle and be taking it, the bottle, you can keep it in a refrigerator but not a freezer. You'll be taking it morning and evening. Yes, morning and evening. For some days you see your period. The second thing you can use Negro pepper to do is to prevent pregnancy. The second thing Negro pepper does is to prevent pregnancy. Yes, you can use it as a form of contraceptive. Yes, with this you have to boil a lot, like one can of Milo tin, or half that Milo container. I don't know if nestle Milo container, half of it of Negro pepper, or full. You can boil it for 20 minutes, keep it in a bottle, have it in the morning, or if you want to use it to prevent pregnancy, you can have it before having sex and after sex. Some of the sperm are very stubborn, so you have to take it before sex and after sex for 3 days. You'll be fine. And you can also, if you know your, you just for the safe side, just take it after before and after sex for 3 days. That's okay. So guys, I think I've said enough about Negro pepper. This video is kind of short. Please, I have a whole lot of home remedies to drop down for you guys. I know my background is kind of noisy, so I have to stop here. I have a whole lot: how to tighten your VJ, how to make your VJ sweet, a lot, I mean a whole lot. How to, okay, let's stop here. So if you have any other home remedies you want me to film, kindly leave it down the comment section. And please share my videos for others to see, because the engagement of my video gives me the morale to film more videos. So please, if you have not subscribe, share, comment, like, and do the rest. So until we meet again in my next video, bye.